Hello, dear friends, how are you? My name is Grace. I am 34 years old, and today I am here to give my opinion about Wholeleaf for you who are looking for a safe and efficient way to lose weight and, of course, answer your main questions. I also want to leave a very important warning, so stay until the end of the video. Let's go. Does Wholeleaf work? Is it good? Is it reliable? The answer is yes. It works so well that it has helped thousands of people to lose weight, and you can have total confidence in it, and I will tell you why. Wholeleaf went through several tests in laboratories until they found the perfect formula for its purpose, containing cannabidiols as the main ingredients and the best of all, with 100% natural ingredients, free of side effects. Now you must be asking yourself, what if I buy it and it doesn't work or I don't like it? Don't worry about that, because you have a 90-day guarantee to test Wholeleaf. You can start seeing results in the first month, but most people see significant results after 3 months of use. Even so, keep in mind that you will have 3 months to prove the effectiveness of the product. There are so many benefits that you must have been like me when I found out, anxious to get my Wholeleaf, but let me tell you something very important first. Everything that is good and successful ends up being copied or counterfeited, so don't be a victim of these frauds. Thinking about it, I left the official site of the product in the description and fixed in the comments to help you if you need to lose weight and looking for the ideal solution. There you will find more details about the ingredients and which nutrients are part of the formula. So, yes, you can definitely trust this product. There are many people out there having great results, as I said, and you can also obtain these results. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a very different way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you guys this so that you're realistic about your treatment and expectations. To finish this video, I've been researching and found that the demand for Wholeleaf has been so great that I do not know how long it will remain at this price and if they will continue to offer free shipping on some combos. Anyway, after I proved the results, I made stock for 1 year of use here at home. I really hope that this video has helped you to better understand Wholeleaf works and that it brings as many benefits as it has brought and helped thousands of people. If you liked this video, like, share and leave your comment or question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video. Later and good luck!